Now, average variable cost is the per unit variable cost incurred in the production. Now, it will be the same formula TVC. In case of average fixed cost, it will be TFC by Q, and in case of average variable cost, it will be TVC by Q. Okay. Now, here the average variable cost curve is a U-shaped curve. Okay. Means it has got three phases. First, the cost is decreasing, then it is constant, and then it is increasing at an increasing rate. So there are three phases in the U-shaped curve. See the U-shaped curve. So first it is falling, that is decreasing, then it is constant, and then it is rising. Now, this is also because of the law of variable proportions. When I'm increasing my production, I'm using 1 unit of labor, 2 units, 3 units. So my cost is falling because of the efficiency of the variable factor, productivity of the variable factor, which is going on increasing. After a certain point of time, when I'm using more labor, it comes to a maximum limit. Beyond that, when I'm increasing my labor, my cost is increasing. My cost of production, my average variable cost of production is increasing because I don't need that labor, but I'm still using it, which is increasing my cost of production as the efficiency and productivity of the variable factor is falling down. Okay. Next is average total cost. Like total cost, it was equal to TFC plus TVC. Average total cost is equal to average cost is equal to, in this place, total cost divided by quantity. So in the first part we saw total cost is equal to AFC plus AVC, and here average cost is equal to total cost divided by quantity. Now total cost is equal to AFC plus AVC. Okay. Or you can say total cost is equal to TFC plus TVC. As I am discussing average, I use AFC and AVC. So total cost is equal to simply fixed cost plus variable cost. So average cost is equal to total cost divided by quantity. Or you can also write average cost is equal to AFC plus AVC divided by quantity. Okay. Next we are going to the marginal cost. Now, what is this marginal cost? Marginal cost, I'm repeating, marginal word means an extra unit. So, marginal cost is the extra cost that is incurred in producing one extra unit of a commodity. Now, this is also U-shaped curve, just because what is the reason for the U-shape of AVC curve? Okay. Or the inverted H-shaped curve of TVC and total cost. That is law of variable proportion. Okay. Now, how do we calculate the marginal cost curve? Okay, marginal cost curve is calculated as change in total cost by change in quantity. Change in total cost by change in quantity. Now, marginal cost is independent of total fixed cost. As total fixed cost never changes, it is fixed. So, for extra unit of production, we have to change our only variable factor. So, marginal cost is dependent only on the total variable cost. It is independent of the fixed cost because fixed cost is fixed and it does not change along with the so-called output of the producer. Okay, so as only the variable factor is changing, so for extra unit of production we have to change the variable factor. So marginal cost is only related to the or dependent to the variable cost. Okay. Now I will show you how is it calculated. See, I said it is U-shaped. The reason is law of variable proportion. See my output, my total fixed cost, total variable cost is increasing as the output is increasing. Okay, see it is increasing from 0, 6, 10, 15, 24, 35. My total fixed cost is constant at 12. My total cost is addition. These tables will come. My total cost is addition of total variable cost and total fixed cost. So by adding, I got the total cost table. My marginal cost is what? My marginal cost is change in total cost divided by change in quantity. Okay. Now see. Now without doing that, you can change in total cost by change in quantity is the formula. Now another shortcut method is total cost of nth unit minus total cost of n minus 1th unit. Now see, total cost of nth unit means the last unit. So total cost of last unit is 18. Sorry, it is 12. Sorry, 12. For the first case, it is 12. Okay. So before that, we don't have anything. So it is null. Next is 18. My last unit of production cost is 18. That is total cost of nth unit is 18. Total cost of n minus 1th unit means the before unit. The before unit. This is the n minus 1 unit. So it will be 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12. Okay. Next you see it will be 22 minus 18. Next will be 27 minus 22. 36 minus 27. 47 minus 36. Okay. So this is a shortcut method of calculating marginal cost. That is total cost of nth unit minus total cost of n minus 1th unit. Nth unit means the last unit. N minus 1th unit means the last before unit. Okay. So is it clear? Next day we will move on to the relationships between the different curves. Thank you.